I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Hello, Emily. How are you today?
I'm doing great, Paul. The sun is shining, and I have my cup of tea. It's a good day. How about you?
I'm fantastic. I'm really excited for our topic today. It's a big one.
It is. But before we start, everyone, please remember to give this episode a like. Yes, click that little thumbs up button.
And if you are new, welcome. Please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. It helps us a lot.
Yes, it does. Okay, are you ready, Paul?
I am so ready. What are we talking about today?
Today, we are talking about a big challenge for many English learners. We are talking about how to stop translating in your head.
Ah, yes, translating. I remember this. You hear something in English.
Yes, and then your brain goes, wait, what is that in my language?
Exactly. You think about it in your language, and then you try to find the English words to answer.
It's a lot of work for your brain. It's like a 3-step process. English to your language, then your language back to English. Whew, I'm tired just thinking about it.
Me too. And what is the problem with that? Why is it a challenge?
Well, the biggest problem is that it's very, very slow.
Oh, yes, very slow. While you were thinking and translating, the conversation is moving on.
Exactly. Someone asks you, how are you? And you are busy translating, and they are already talking about something else.
Right. It makes conversations difficult. You feel like you are always one step behind.
That's a perfect way to say it. And another problem is that sometimes words are not the same.
What do you mean?
Well, one word in English might have many meanings, or one word in your language might not have a perfect word in English.
Ah, I see. So if you translate word for word, it can sound strange.
Very strange. And sometimes it's just incorrect.
So translating in our heads is slow, and it can cause mistakes.
Yes, exactly. The goal is to think in English, to make a direct connection.
A direct connection. I like the sound of that. Like a direct road from your brain to your mouth, all in English.
That's the one. No little detours to another language.
Okay, so this is a big problem, but we are here to help. We have solutions, right?
Of course we do. We have some simple, easy tips to help everyone start thinking in English.
Fantastic. I'm ready for tip number 1. What is it?
Tip number 1 is to start small. Very, very small. Start with single words.
Single words. Okay. Like what?
Look around you right now. What do you see?
I see my desk. I see a lamp. I have a pen in my hand.
Perfect. So, when you look at your pen, don't think of the word for it in your language. Just think the English word. Pen.
Ah, so I see the object, and my brain thinks pen directly.
Yes. See the object, think the English word. Look at your door. Think door. Look at the window. Think window.
I get it. It's like you are labeling the world around you in English.
What a great way to put it. Yes, you are your own English labeling machine.
I like that. So I can walk around my house. Kitchen, table, chair, cup.
Yes, do this every day for just 5 minutes. Look at things and say the English word in your head.
This builds that direct connection we talked about. The object is now connected to the English word. No middleman.
Exactly. No translation needed. It's a very powerful first step.
Okay, I love that. It's easy and I can do it right now. What's tip number 2?
Tip number 2 is to use pictures.
Pictures. Everyone loves pictures. How do they help?
You can use flashcards. You know, those little cards for studying?
Oh yes, I know flashcards.
On one side of the card, you have a picture. For example, a picture of a sun.
Okay, a picture of a bright yellow sun.
And on the other side, you write the English word sun.
Ah, I see where this is going. So you look at the picture of the sun,
And you think the word sun. You don't think of the word in your language. You see the image and you think the English word.
That's brilliant. It's the same idea as the objects, but you can carry the flashcards with you.
Right. You can learn about animals, a picture of a dog, a cat, a bird. You can learn food, a picture of an apple, a banana.
The picture helps your brain remember. A picture is universal. An apple looks like an apple everywhere in the world.
Yes, exactly. So you connect that universal image directly to the English word. It's a very fun way to build your vocabulary without translating.
You can even make it a game. See how many pictures you can name in 1 minute.
That's a great idea, Paul. Making learning fun is so important.
Okay, So we have naming objects and using pictures. These are for single words. What about sentences? Sentences are harder.
They are. So we start with very, very simple sentences. That's tip number 3.
Simple sentences. How simple?
Think about how you feel. Are you happy?
I am very happy right now.
Great. So you feel this emotion, this happiness, and you think the English sentence, I am happy.
So I connect my feeling directly to the English phrase.
Yes. Don't think, how do I say I'm happy in my language? Just feel it and connect it to, I am happy.
I like that. So if I feel tired, I can think, I am tired.
You got it. Or, I am hungry. When your stomach makes a noise, think, I am hungry.
My stomach makes a lot of noise. This is good practice for me.
Me too. And you can do this for simple actions.
Actions? Like what?
When you drink a glass of water, think to yourself, I drink water.
As I'm doing it?
Yes, at that exact moment. You are lifting the glass, you are drinking, and in your head, the English sentence is, I drink water.
Wow. That's like a little narration of my life. In English.
It is. When you open a door, think, I open the door. When you sit down, think, I sit down.
This makes so much sense. You are connecting the action to the English phrase. Again, no translation.
You see the pattern, right? It's all about creating those direct links in your brain.
I do. It sounds like it just takes practice, doing it over and over.
That's the key. A little bit every day. It feels strange at first, but then it becomes natural.
Okay, so we have words and we have simple sentences. What else can help us? What is tip number 4?
Tip number 4 is a fun one. Watch and listen to a lot of simple English.
Like what? This podcast?
Yes, absolutely, like this podcast. But also things with pictures, like cartoons for children.
Cartoons! That's a great idea. Why are they so good for learning?
Because they are visual. You see the characters moving. You see them talking. You see what is happening in the story.
And the language is usually very simple.
Exactly. The characters say things like, hello, let's go, or look, a ball, and you see the ball on the screen.
Ah, so your brain connects the sound of the word ball with the picture of the ball.
You got it. You don't have time to translate because the cartoon is moving fast. You just watch, listen, and understand from the pictures.
This is a passive way to learn. You are just enjoying a cartoon, but your brain is learning.
Yes, the same is true for simple English songs, especially songs for kids. They have actions, head, shoulders, knees, and toes. You hear the words and you see the actions.
That's a classic, and it really works. You remember the words because you are doing the movement.
So, find a simple cartoon you like or some fun children's songs. Watch them for 10-15 minutes a day. It's not studying, it's fun. And it trains your brain to understand English directly.
I love all these tips. They are so practical. But Emily, is it easy to do this? To stop translating?
That's a very important question, Paul. And it brings us to our final tip. Tip number 5.
Okay, what is it?
Tip number 5 is be patient.
Be patient.
Yes, learning to think in a new language is like learning to walk. At first, you fall down. You make mistakes. It feels hard.
That's true. You don't just stand up and run a marathon.
No, you don't. You take one small step, then another, and it's the same with thinking in English. You have been translating in your head for a long time. It's a habit.
And it's hard to change a habit.
It is. So you need to be patient with yourself. Don't get angry if you start translating. It's okay. It's normal.
So if I'm talking and my brain translates, I shouldn't say, oh, I'm so bad at English.
No, never. You should say, oops, I translated. Okay, let me try again with a simple word. Be kind to yourself.
Kindness is important in learning. So just a little bit every day, 5 minutes of naming objects, 1 cartoon.
Yes, small, consistent steps. Progress is more important than perfection. Every time you connect an object to an English word directly, that's a victory.
I like that. A little victory every day.
And remember that mistakes are okay. Mistakes are how we learn. They show us what we need to practice more.
So mistakes are not bad guys. They are good guys. They are our teachers.
What a wonderful way to think about it. Yes, Paul, mistakes are our friends. They help us get better.
Wow, this is all great advice. So let's do a quick review of the 5 tips.
Great idea. What was tip number 1?
Tip number 1 was to start small with single words. Look at objects around you and think the English word. Chair, table, book.
Perfect. And tip number 2?
Use pictures. Flashcards with a picture on one side and the English word on the other. Connect the image to the word.
Excellent. Tip number 3?
Think in very simple English sentences. Connect feelings like I am happy or actions like I drink water directly to the English words.
Good job. What about tip number 4?
The fun one, watch and listen to simple English. Cartoons and songs for children are perfect because you can see what is happening.
Yes. And the final, most important tip?
Be patient with yourself. It's a new skill. It takes time. It's okay to make mistakes. Be kind to your brain.
That's it. You summarized it perfectly, Paul. It's all about practice, patience, and making those direct connections.
And over time, that fast road in your brain gets bigger and stronger. Thinking in English becomes easier and more natural.
It really does. And your conversations will be so much better. You'll be able to listen and respond much faster.
That's the goal for everyone listening, I think, to have real, natural conversations.
Yes, exactly. And it all starts with one word, one object. Your pen.
My pen. I'm looking at it now and just thinking pen.
That's great. You're doing it.
This was a fantastic topic. Thank you, Emily.
Thank you, Paul. And a big thank you to all of our amazing listeners for joining us today.
Yes, thank you, everyone. We hope these tips help you on your English journey.